What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to do a pretty popular trend that will not go away. People upload so many videos every single day about cutting soap. It is pretty satisfying to watch it. It's probably even more satisfying actually cutting it. Well, what can I bring to the table much more interesting that is already thousands of videos out there cutting different ways of soap? Well, you guessed it right, slow motion. So we're going to do that. So the whole idea is people cut bunch of soaps like this, different type of way, and they usually don't talk in the video. It's supposed to be MSR, whatever you call that videos. My soap cutting skills kinda sucks, but what you do is just cut it and it's supposed to fall apart. But this is the idea. What I'm gonna do is cut soap very differently. Stack it up like this. I have what, 5 different type of soap, and we're gonna smash it with the machete and see what it looks like in slow motion. I might have missed it, but let's see. Yeah, I missed a couple of them a day in there, but it's okay, we'll do that again from a different angle as well. Okay, let's do this one more time, but this time I promise you I'm not gonna miss. Yes, this is actually cut right in the middle, perfect slice. Didn't hit hard enough, last one didn't slice all the way. Okay, that was cool, but you know what will be even better if we shoot it with the pellet. Wow, it went right through 3 soaps. Whoa, that's so beautiful. Let's see it in slow motion at 25,000 frames per second. This time we're gonna film it at 62,000. Wow, look at that. I hit it to the side so the slow motion camera can catch up the bullet travel into a soap, and whoa, it's stuck into the soap right here. Just a 3rd soap. And so is this one. The other one stopped in the 3rd soap. Look at this pellet holes, and then it goes to 1, 2, and gets stuck on a 3rd, 4th soap, but I have rearranged this soap before. Usually it stops on a 3rd soap. We're gonna cut them out in a little bit and see if they deform or anything. Next, I rearrange the camera. What I wanna see the bullet entering into here and how soap opens up. That's going to look really good at 100,000 frames per second. Alright. Everything looks good. Let's see what happens right in the middle of it. Alright, let's see the slow motion. Whoa, the hole is so cool. Check this out. You can actually see everything through all the soaps. That's so unique. Okay, we're gonna do a couple more different shots. Slice off the top of the soap so that way it looks like it's cutting it with a bullet. Okay, this is a perfect soap cutting right here. As I promised, let's cut out little pellets right here. Wow, they almost did deform. I mean, they got a lot smaller, looks like, not as long anymore. So they did get squished a little bit. This is how many shots I had to do. Check this out. There's the pellets right here. That is kind of satisfying to take the pellets out of the soap. I know how many people have done that. That's me gotta be first one. I have not seen that on the internet. As you can see, they do get deformed quite a little bit, but not that much, because it just doesn't have that much power on it. That is very satisfying, honestly. There you go. Take pellets out of the soap. Amazing. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this viral trend cutting soap video? It's so bizarre, but it's so satisfying to watch it. I actually watched at least 10 videos, like 10 minutes long. I don't know why. It's pretty fun. So let me know in comments below which trend should I do in slow motion. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I'll see you next time. And for those people who don't care about slow motion, enjoy just regular soap cutting.